What's going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I'm back with another video, a how-to video. Today we are going to replace the output shaft seal on my Trans Am. The car is running right now, and I'm about to head to work, but I actually don't work until 12 o'clock today, and today's Sunday. So I'm going there really early at around 9. I'm not going to do the pinion seal because I've looked up some videos and I did a lot of research, and I just don't feel comfortable replacing the pinion seal because I don't want to mess up my rear end. So I'm just going to get somebody to do it for me. I'm just going to replace the output shaft seal. That seems easy enough. I've never done this type of work before, so yeah. Hopefully when this video goes up on YouTube, you should already know that I've finished the job and the job was successful. So let's go. Alright guys, this is what you need. Here's the output shaft seal. I got a marker to mark the drive shaft and everything, put it back where it's supposed to be. I have a rubber mallet, some grease over here for, you know, the gasket and the bolts and stuff. I don't think I need Loctite, but I'm gonna look back on a video and see if I actually need it. You need an 11mm socket and an extension with a ratchet or an air gun or an electric gun or whatever you have to take the bolts off. That way you have enough clearance to take the bolts out, you know, without just using a socket and a ratchet or whatever you might have. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, I got some lighting for you, that way you can see what I'm doing. These are 11mm bolts that go all the way around, and I can spin this drive shaft because what you need to do is once you pull your car into a shop and you can work on your own car, or you're at home and you have a jack that you can lift the car up, what you want to do is get in the car afterwards and put the car in neutral. That way the drive shaft spin freely. If it's in reverse or in park or whatever, you're not going to be able to spin this drive shaft all the way around to get to the other bolts. That's out. Now, I just need to take these bolts out, like so. Got the drive shaft out over here. I just slide it out and let it sit on this exhaust over here. As you can see, it's literally sitting back up there, if y'all can see that. I'm gonna take a flat tip screwdriver and take this old seal out. Alright, so update. I had to take a bigger flat tip screwdriver and go around this edge. I didn't know that edge right there was part of the gasket, so I just kind of hammered it to see if it would pry off that way, and so far I'm doing pretty good. So I'm just going to continue on, take this gasket out, put the new one in, and hopefully it doesn't leak. Alright, I'm going to use a rag and just kind of wipe around here, make sure everything's clean. Alright, here's the new output shaft seal. I'm gonna knock it in here. I don't have a big enough socket to go around here to help drive this thing in here, so I'm gonna do my best. So, alright guys, I found something that I could use to put over this seal, so I can take my hammer and knock it all the way in there. Because if you do it, take your hand and try and knock it in with a dead blow, then the seal will pop right back out and you're gonna get frustrated. So the output shaft seal is in. Let's see if you get more lighting, what it looks like. It's in there flush, it looks like. I don't see really any gaps. Alright, I'm gonna put the rest of the bolts in, torque this up, and Rocket Bird should be good to go. Alright guys, if y'all like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Greatest Hits, and I'll see y'all in the next video.